Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get Canva Pro using school email. All right, let's begin. First, open Canva in your web browser. Once you're on the home page, click on the profile icon in the bottom left corner to open your account menu. From there, select Plan and Pricing to view available plans. Next, click on the Canva for Education tab at the top. Click on Get Verified to start the process. Enter your official school email address, usually ending in .edu or provided by your institution. Then click Continue. Now, select a Canva team or create one to continue. Next, you will be prompted to upload a document for verification purpose. Select the preferred one from the dropdown and upload the image into the field. After that, you will be prompted to enter your details. Once done, submit the request. Once submitted, approval may be instant or take up to 48 hours. After approval, your account upgrades to Canva Pro for free with full access to premium tools and features. So that's basically how you can get Canva Pro using school email. That's it for this video. Thanks.